Why, hello there. Today we look at the premier Omega Speedmaster, first Omega in space, 2024 reissue. Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. At HN, we fully understand if you are fed up with countless Omega reissues. It feels like the whole Apollo program legend was milk dry years ago. But this one is actually worth stopping and having a look, even if you are not the right stuff aficionado. Under the pompous name First Omega in Space hides the modern interpretation of an Omega CK2998. It was a private watch of the American astronaut Wally Schirra, who took it on a 9-hour-long Mercury mission, hence the name. All it takes is one glance to understand how different is this Speedmaster from any reference of the Moonwatch. The distinct, simpler case with straight lugs, more graceful hands, and above all else, that deep blue dial with sunburst effect. The bronze leather strap beautifully contrasts with it. Moreover, if there's one watch that looks good with the faux patina, it has to be the first Omega in space. Yet, there are plenty of signature Speedmasters details on the dial if you zoom in. In the dark, it glows strongly, which surprisingly is not a given with expensive watches. All in all, the first Omega in space seems more elegant as compared to the tool watch that is the Moonwatch. But both share the same movement, a manually wound chronograph, combining the old Lamania architecture with the newest Omega's coaxial escapement. Unlike the original, it uses the sapphire crystal, but domed in a way to mimic the Hesalite's distortions as seen from an angle. If you like the Speedmaster, but you are put off by the moon landings theme, the first Omega in space could be just for you. On a leather strap, it will fit nicely with a business casual shirt or even a suit. It may not be the single Omega in a room full of other people, but most likely it will be the only one of its kind. To stand apart is the name of the game, and here is how you win it. Because, frankly, this watch is that good, even without its backstory. No more floating in space, time to deorbit. Thank you for lasting till the end, and see you in the next one.